Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find downloads in Samsung internet browser. So if you use a Samsung phone, internet browser or phone, and you often use it to download files, and you want to find the downloaded files on the browser, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to find downloads in Samsung internet, all you need to do is go ahead and open the internet browser. Click on menu at the bottom right. Locate downloads and click on that. Then here you should see all your downloads. You see this? Now, if you download your file in secret mode or you download the file in non-secret mode, you must come to secret mode page for you to see your download. You can see no file is downloaded in normal mode. But if you turn off secret mode, then you should see all your downloaded files under download. You see that? So that's basically how to find download files in Samsung internet browser. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.